How many lines are there?
One. There are one line. One.
How many fans are there?
Two. There are two fans. Two.
How many cats are there?
Three. There are three cats. Three.
How many pens are there?
Four. There are four pens. Four.
How many candles are there?
Five. There are five candles. Five.
How many cups are there?
Six. There are six cups. Six.
How many coins are there?
Seven. There are seven coins. Seven.
How many pins are there?
Eight. There are eight pins. Eight.
How many phones are there?
Nine. There are nine phones. Nine.
How many spiders are there?
10. There are 10 spiders. 10.
Now repeating it. Sing with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thanks for watching video.
Like and comment.
Subscribe my channel for more these videos.